Okay, so guys, I took the fifth trade of this session. I took the fifth trade of this session. You can see here we took a trade here. We are seeing that the market is in a strong uptrend and is forming a demand. It formed the demand here. I went into the winning trade. It formed the demand here also. You can see here it formed the demand here. I went into the winning trade and then it came back here and formed a demand, and then I went in for this also. And okay, take a look at it, guys. It formed the demand here. It was a winning trade. I spotted that the market is in an uptrend and I went in. I took the buy. It came here, formed the demand. I went in again. It was a winning trade. It came here also and formed the demand, and I went in. I didn't go in on this candle. Why? Because it was remaining about 5 seconds for this candle to close. So I waited for the next candle. I immediately we entered the next candle. I went in for a buy. I can see it's a winning trade. And also yet has formed the demand. It might come back here again and still push to the upside. But I have come to the end of the session for today, guys. Overall today I have taken I have taken 5 trades. I lost 1 and I won 4. This is a profitable session, guys. So thank you, guys. Okay, see, it has tapped into our demand, but because I've ended my session, I won't take any trade again. And okay, let's analyze it. Let's watch how. Okay. Okay, let's watch how if it will play out or not. Okay, you can see it played out. You can see it here, guys. It played out. So this candle might buy and push to the upside. So I think I went in for a trade here. So that have been a winning trade. But I've ended my session here today, guys. I've taken 5 trades and we took 5 trades in this session and we won 4 and lost only 1, and we ended the session in profit. So thank you guys for watching. Do wait to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more. Also, if you're interested for more, the link to this video will be the link to my Telegram channel will be in the description of this video, and also the link to the platform that I use, which is Pocket Options, will also be in the description of this video. So thank you guys for watching. Do wait to keep learning, keep practicing, keep trading, and I hope that you will become a very good and profitable trader. So thank you guys for watching, and peace out, guys.